家好，欢迎来学中文，耶耶，来说手，我们一起学中文。We gon' rock it, we gon' pop it, we gon' rock it out. Yeah， 你是否能感动？你是否能听懂？你是否能跟着我跳舞？你们好 ，Welcome to lesson 21 of Mandarin. On today's lesson, we're going to learn about the departments that we find at the shopping centers. Men's clothing are called Nan Zhuang. Women's clothing are called New Zhuang. Beauty products are called Mei Rong Yong Pin. Home furniture is called 家具 Electronic products are called 电子产品 Now, let's review the words. Nan Zhuang, New Zhuang, Mei Rong Yong Pin, 家具 电子产品 That's it for today. Please remember to like, share, comment, and click the subscribe and notification button. Hope to see you next time. 再见